Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily remove subtitles in Netflix. This one is pretty simple and straightforward, so I will show you right now. Let's say I will click on this show The Rookie, and as you can see, here are the subtitles. So in order to turn it off very quickly, go right here and press this off under subtitles. Now the subtitles should be off, and this is really how easy and simple it is. If you want to keep the subtitles, but change the appearance a little bit so they don't annoy you as much, or they are more visible, for example, you can do it by going to account right here and then scrolling all the way down until you see edit settings, click on that, and then down once more until you see subtitle appearance, click on that as well. Here you can choose what font do you want your subtitles to be, what color do you want them to be, what kind of shadow do you want them to have, and the color of the shadow. Even you can select the background window or the size of them subtitles. When you're done with your changes, just press save and then go back to Netflix account, and as you can see, your subtitles will be changed to your liking. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you remove subtitles, turn off subtitles, or change them if you want to stay, but not as much. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.